Hello students, so today we are going to discuss sex determination in human. So all of you know that how many number of chromosome generally present in case of particular human beings, that is 46 number of chromosome and are 23 pairs of chromosome. So this 46 number of chromosome or 23 pairs of chromosome can be categorized into two form. This is the first one and this is the second one. Let's talk about first category of chromosome. So this is considered as a autosomes. So this autosome generally called as a somatic chromosome. So all somatic chromosome mainly present in the somatic cells. So and this kinds of chromosome does not take parts in the particular sex determining phenomena. So this particular kinds of chromosome cannot capable to decide the particular sex of particular child. So we can say that directly the crossing over or linkage phenomena cannot be occurs in case of this one. Next, this is the same in all kinds of individuals, means in case of human beings all kinds of individuals having the same 44 chromosomes or 22 pairs of chromosomes. So we have completely discussed about autosomes or somatic chromosomes. Next one is two number of chromosome, that is the one pair of chromosome. This is also known as sex chromosome or allosomes. Okay, and this sex chromosome generally considered for the determinations of particular sex of particular child. So we can say that the particular phenomena, that is crossing over, mainly occurs in case of this kinds of sex chromosome. So there are two sex chromosome mainly present in particular human beings. First one is the X chromosome and second one is the Y chromosome. And when we will discuss about male and female individual, then in case of male one, the X and Y chromosome will be present, that is considered as a heterogametic sex, and in case of female the X and X will be present, this kinds of sex, that is considered as a homogametic sex. So we have completely discussed about the chromosome and their two categories completely. Next topic we were discussing about the particular kinds of topics, that is the sex determination in particular humans. So this is the cross generally showing the particular sex determination in case of human beings. So this is the female individuals having the X and X chromosome, this is the homogametic one, and this is the male individuals having the X and Y chromosome, that is heterogametic one, and this is the parental cross or parents one. So this female individuals forms the two gametes, that is same in nature, that is X gamete and X gamete, and male, that is also forms the two gametes but different in nature. First one is this forms the X gamete and second this forms the Y gamete, and after that this gamete starts to meet with each other due to the process of fertilization and forms the new individuals or progeny. So this X and this X meet with each other and forms the XX and female individuals. This X and this Y gametes meet with each other and forms the X and Y, that is the male individuals. This X and this X forms the XX, that is female individuals. This X and this Y, that is forms the XY, and that is the male individuals. So among the four progeny, that is two individuals or two progeny, that is the female in nature, that is having the homogametic sex, that is XX, and in case of among the four, that is two remaining progeny, that is male progeny, that is consist of heterogametic sex, that is XY and XY. So this is whole about sex determination in case of human being. So in this lecture we have completely discussed about the chromosome and their kinds of categories and what kinds of sex chromosome mainly present in particular human beings and what are the process of sex determination we have completely discussed here. So thank you.